video, I'm going to show you how you can organize your dashboard. So on the top right, you're going to see these three little dots. This is going to allow you to change the color of a tile. It'll also allow you to create a nickname. So if you want to have a name that is going to allow you to just see quickly at a glance what this period is or what this class is, you can just put a nickname. So if I just want this to say first period, I can click that. I click apply, and then it changes the color of the font, but it also changes that nickname. I also can drag these in any order that I choose. So if they were not in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth period order, or if you want to alphabetize your tiles, whatever you want, you are able to do that. So just wanted you to know those little features to help you organize your dashboard. One other thing I wanted to let you know is up here on the top right where these three dots are, you can decide to change the color overlay of your tiles, or you can decide to have a list form for your dashboard, or you can show recent activity. So just wanted you to know those features so you can organize what you see when you enter Canvas.